Google finally teased its all-new Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold in one of the teaser video today, and yes, the launch day, it does say it is August 13, and I was so surprised to see the very same thing because I was under an impression that the only three Google Pixel devices that we will see in this event would be the Google Pixel 9, the 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL, because the leaks and the rumors, it did suggest that Google was not ready with the final hardware. But when I saw this teaser over here, I was surprised and I was happy to see that, because now we would have a real competition in North America, and the only two devices are not really the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the OnePlus Open, because basically these are the only two devices that are left in the North American market that are dominating as of filming this video, as Google has pulled away their original Google Pixel Fold from their official website. And we are happy to report that Google will be launching its all new Pixel Fold in the August 13 event that would really be called the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and not the Fold 2, which is an interesting choice, and it really just goes very well with the other naming schemas, the 9, the 9 Pro, the 9 Pro XL and the 9 Pro Fold, which is just amazing. Now before we move forward, the only question that I really have from Google is that, is Google really launching the device on August 13, or it is just a teaser, or it is just that the device would be showcased in the event and we would really see the pre-orders in the next 3 months or 4 months. And I would just be surprised to see if the pre-orders are really starting on August 13 or whatsoever is the date when the pre-orders will start on this device over here. But yes, I am excited because I am one of the Android fanboys and I just want to see that what Google will do with its Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and this is one of the most exciting one because we will see a lot of AI features as well that will be added to the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold over here. But now first things first, let us talk about the design changes on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and as long as this name is, the design change list is even more on this device over here. And I'm happy to report that the design on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, as we can see in the leaks and rumors, is a very good one. And even though that I also love the design on the original Google Pixel Fold as well, I think that this one over here is the step in the right direction, and the device, it now feels a bit more like the OnePlus Open, I would say, rather than being something like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. That is again one of those devices that I really love as well. But I think that the OnePlus Open was one of those devices that had a perfect balance in the terms of the display, the inside one, the outside one, the width and the length and everything. And I think that Google is going into the same direction, and we will see a bit more taller device than what we had on the Google Pixel Fold, that was the original one over there. And also we will see a larger inside display and a larger outside display as well, and along with that the crease will be less than what you saw on the Google Pixel Fold, the original one, at that very costly price over there. And also now you will see thinner bezels on the inside display, that is also a joy. Now a lot of people did not have a lot of complaints from the thicker bezels on the original Google Pixel Fold, but we have to move with the trend, and I think that the overall design on this thing over here, it just looks way much more better. Now it is not a very special build like a titanium build as we are seeing on the other devices in the market, but it is just a regular aluminum build, and you will see that it is all matte aluminum everywhere except for the middle hinge over here, that is a bit more shiny, and I just love this element over here. Now we will see this device in a lot of different color, and in the leaks we see a charcoal black color along with this Google teaser one that shows us a gold color that is more like a champagne gold, or I would say the porcelain gold, or something that just Google would want to name that thing over there. But I just love this gold color more than the other leaks that we have seen in the gray color over there. But you will see a lot of design elements that are very similar to the OnePlus Open over here, so you can really expect a really good device from Google this year. Now another thing that you would notice over here is that this device is really thin, and if you just really look close at the teaser of this device, you will see on the side profile of this phone where you have the volume rocker and also the power button, that this phone is really thin on the aluminum frame that you have got on this device over here. And that is necessarily not a very good thing, because we will see a lot of compromises in the terms of the performance, maybe if this device is not able to dissipate the heat sleep very well, and also you may see a smaller battery life that I will come later into this video. But generally I would say that this device just looks beautiful, and it looks even better than what you have got with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the OnePlus Open as well. Now there are some other changes that you will see in the terms of the hardware on the Google Pixel 9 Fold, and the most prominent one is being in the terms of the camera design on this device over here, because gone is the horizontal camera part that you saw with the original Google Pixel Fold, and now you will see a very different design that what you saw from the past year. And I just do not know that what we should be calling this new design, but it is just a square camera part that houses four different cameras along with a flash and a microphone, and the four cameras are two in a pair in the terms of a pill cutout that is divided into two, one on the top and one at the bottom. And I'm just very confused about this design language that we are seeing over here. But when I saw this device in the Google teaser in the golden color, I was just very pleased, and I think that this new design, it does make a lot of sense, and maybe Google is planning to implement some kind of AI features, and that is why we have a fourth camera over here. I think so that the other three cameras would be the regular ultra wide, the telephoto, and the normal lens as we see with the Google Pixel 8 Pro XL. And I'm not just surprised right now, because I know that there will be a lot of AI features in the future, and they might need an extra camera for the features like the spatial recording or the other things that are just very intensive in the terms of the AI task. So yes, we will get four cameras instead of the three cameras, and we will just see when the device is officially launched that what is the actual camera hardware that looks like on this device over here. But now let us talk about the other things on this device, because we will be getting the all new G4 Tensor chip on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold as well, and this might not be particularly something that I am surprised about. I knew that this was a chip that was coming into this device, and even though that I just do not want the Google Pixel devices to come with the Tensor chip, I think NPU is one of the main points of these CPUs over there, and might be that these NPUs are better than what you have on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. And the other thing could be that Google just wants to make sure that they have a lot of control that how AI is working on their devices, and the information is not being shared with a third-party manufacturer, and everything is just secure and safe under their Google Pixel Fold lineup, along with their G4 Tensor chip or the G series of chip that they're having in their devices right now. But again, I do not think so that it will be the most efficient processor in the world, or it would be the most fast processor in the world, but I surely know that it will be one of the best NPUs in any chip that we will see in the market at least for a year or two, and this is something that excites me the most. But the thing is that the battery cells on these new devices are actually smaller than what we had on the original Google Pixel Fold, and you will see a 4560 mAh of battery versus the 4727 mAh of battery that you saw on the original Google Pixel Fold. That is something that I'm not very confident with, because now you are just not utilizing the inner screen, but you also have the outer screen, and both of these screens might be a bit more larger than what you saw on the original devices as well. So something that you just need to keep in mind. Now there is one another thing that might compensate for this thing over here, and that is a faster charging on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and that is again something that I'm excited about, and this is a confirmed leak from NCC. That is one of the major leak sources that we are discussing about today in this video, and they just confirmed that the battery charging on this thing over here would be capped at 45 watt, and we also saw some of the leaks that shows a 45 watt charger, and that charger just looks like one of the most premium chargers that we have seen in the market in a very long shot. And I think so that Google just wants to stick with this premium feel, because the overall device, it does look a bit more premium than all the other fold devices that we have in the market. And I especially love the OnePlus Open from the past year. I'm just waiting for the OnePlus Open 2, but this Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, it just makes a lot of sense to me. I'm just worried about the Google Pixel G4 Tensor chip, but apart from that, I think that this is going to be one of the best devices that we will see in the market in a long shot. But apart from that, we will see a lot of AI AI features that will come to this all new Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I would just not talk about all those features because we have particularly talked about all those features in a lot of my older videos, but I would want to see that how Google would be implementing AI in the terms of this software on this all new Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which is again a very long name, but I am just excited to see that what is this original software that would look like on the Fold along with the original hardware over here. And that was all that I really wanted to share in this video. I think that this one over here is a really solid device, and mark the date August 13 and you will be surprised by all the new things that Google will be bringing to the tables. That was all about this video. My name is Anshul. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.